Assalamu alaikum. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back. I haven't filmed in so long and it's so nice to be back. And this video started off really bad, and you will see why, because I'm just gonna keep it very natural, so you will see how and what happened. But I am so happy with the end result. By the way guys, don't mind my super bad skin. I am going through that really bad winter skin when all the heating's on all the time, and then your skin gets dry, and then it gets dehydrated, and then it's not getting enough vitamin D, it's not getting enough vitamins, and it's just super dry from the weather. So it's not great right now, but this is why we have makeup. Anyway, let's begin. So I am going to be using the EX1 Invisiwear Liquid Foundation, and I am going to be using it in 2.0. And I have 3 kinds of applicators in front of me that I kind of want to try, see what works best on my skin. And for me, I have a makeup brush. This is by IT Cosmetics All Over Brush and Concealer Brush. Then I have my makeup bullet, which is here. It's nice and dry. And then I also got this mini beauty blender, but it's not an actual beauty blender. It's just a makeup sponge. And I thought I'd try it out. I wet it, but it is very dense. So I don't know how that's going to work with my dry skin right now, but let's see. Why don't we? Okay, so actually, before I apply my foundation, I'm going to apply my favorite primers. Before I apply my foundation, I'm going to apply my favorite primers. And first, I'm going to go in with the Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. And I really like this primer, so I'm putting that in my T-zone, where I get oily the most. And right now it's not that much, and my skin may look a little bit oily, but that's literally because I have been putting oil on my face to hydrate it. And I'm going in with the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I love this, it's very hydrating. And I got a lot of questions about the primer that I used, the matte one, in my last video, whether I actually like it. And yes, I really love it, and I've been using it every time I wear makeup. These are the 2 primers that I've reached for, depending on what my skin is saying. Now, if you guys know, I used to love, if you're like an OG follower of mine, you know I used to absolutely love this foundation to death. This used to be my favorite foundation. The only thing is, back then, if you guys remember, they used to be their colors used to be in. My foundation just went flying onto the carpet. Oh no, it's on the floorboards. Okay, great. Oh, I like the color. Yep, the color is definitely me, because I think number 1's a little bit too light. Anyway, and I used to use F100 because that used to be the lightest shade they had. Oh my god, that used to be my favorite foundation ever, and it was so dark for me, yet I still wore it. I used to have an orange face. I mean, it wasn't orange, it looked like it was just tanned, and I tried really hard not to put my hands in my face because the foundation was that dark. But I loved it so much, and it was the only foundation that was working for me for uni. This is when I was at uni, that I still just stuck by it and wore it, because I was just like, nope, it's amazing, I love it, I want to wear it, like, I don't care, I'm wearing it. I even tried to just fake tan my hands just so I could wear the foundation, but I realized that actually I just didn't care that much, and I just wanted a good foundation. Okay, how am I feeling about it? My skin is so dry, but that's not because of the foundation, that's because of my skin. But even though my skin is dry, I'm still liking the application of this foundation. And my skin color is actually, I do have a yellow, not a pink undertone. It's just that I have rosacea on my face, so and also like breakouts and stuff, and because I'm white, it goes red and pink, so my face is a little bit pink, hence why it may look a little bit too yellow. But this is actually almost a perfect, I think this is almost a perfect shade. Using the foundation brush, and what do I prefer? Okay, this is very strange, because I thought I would have preferred the brush, The brush does give okay, this is so strange. I've got eyelashes falling out. This is so strange because I actually prefer to apply this with the magic bullet because it just applies so much better than a brush. I'm not feeling how it's applying with a brush. Oh my god. Guys, my skin is so bad. I don't know if I can continue with this video because my face is so bad. I kind of really want to go on with the video since I've started. And it's taken me a while to set up. So I thought, you know what, I'm just going to go with it. My skin is looking really bad today, but that's fine because it happens. And hey, you know, it's not every day that you're gonna have amazing skin. This is the ABAYA Under Eye Full Coverage Concealer by IT Cosmetics. I don't think I'm gonna like this, but let's just try it for the sake of the video because this is the times I actually get to try things out. When I'm like, if I'm doing my makeup for every day, honestly, I kind of don't like to experiment too much. Wow, I like this. Getting a darker shade of the concealer and just going over the top because it's a little bit too light. That shade is too light, but I thought I could get away with it, but I guess I can't. Too Faced Peach Perfect mattifying loose setting powder. I've been using this for a while and I really like it. I love the fact that it has a lid. Like once you open the lid, it has another lid, clear lid, so then it doesn't go everywhere. Isn't that great? I feel like the color is more like my skin tone. I don't know if it adds color because obviously because it's my skin tone, I wouldn't know, but I feel like it doesn't add color. It's just I like the fact that it's not white because then darker skin tones can use this without getting that white cast, because sometimes some loose powders, if they're white, even on me, like it comes out as white. Okay, let's do my eyebrows. This is the bit that I absolutely hate doing on camera. I actually enjoy doing my eyebrows in real life, just not on camera. It's so hard because this is a trick that works really well for doing your eyebrows, is having a mirror literally right here up to your face. You know, I was watching the way Manal Shinate does her eyebrows. I wish I could do mine like that. It's like the way she does her eyebrows is just magical. This is the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Palette, and it actually has gold in here and cocoa, and it's absolutely divine. So basically what happened was yeah, so Instagram just kept showing me stuff that I didn't want to see, people I wasn't following, and then they'll show me something that someone's uploaded 2 weeks ago and I'm like, yeah, I already seen and liked it. Like, come on, I've commented on it. Like, seriously, you're gonna keep showing it to me? And it's so frustrating and it's so annoying. And the thing is, like, it's not even like these are sponsored posts. These are legit like people I'm following and they're not sponsored or anything, they're just normal posts. So I just got really frustrated with social media, and like and I thought, like, with the algorithm, this is how I realized that YouTube and Instagram are being super sneaky and they're actually hiding people's content. And I've been getting loads of messages, okay, not loads, I got like 3 messages since, yeah, but feels like loads. Is people saying, oh, how come you're not getting that much views on YouTube, blah, blah, blah. Well, guess what I found out? So it all started when I was trying to find Dina's video because I really wanted to watch it. I can't remember what it was, but anyway, I wanted to watch it. And I was looking for it, and I remember that video being really, really popular. It was like one of her fashion videos. Anyway, so I was on my phone searching for it, and I couldn't find it. And I was like, did she delete it? Like, I was just so confused. It might have been like her Eid video or something like that. Anyway, that's not even the point. And so what happened was, I just kept searching for it, couldn't, like literally, it was going to the point where I was like 2 years down on her page on my phone, and I don't think I could scroll down anymore, and I was just like, what's going on? I swear this video was just like uploaded, like it was 2017, so I was like, it was uploaded this year, what's going on, blah blah blah. So then I head to where do I head to? So then I head to like a few other YouTubers that I know that are pretty big, and I'm just like, okay, let's just see what's going on with them, because I can't find this video, because I just realized, oh no, before I did that, I thought, okay, I can't find it, so I went on to watch somebody else, and then I was watching her video, can't remember who it was, but then I was just telling my husband, I was like, oh, you know, I couldn't find the video that I wanted to watch, like, is it just me or is Instagram being weird? I don't understand. So then he just went on his laptop and typed it in, and then scrolled down, and then I found the video, because obviously he didn't know what I was looking for. So I went down, found the video, and it was there, and I didn't even have to scroll down that much. So I went back onto my phone to try and find the video, and guess what? It won't come up on my mobile. So then that got me thinking, and I was like, hold on a minute, is YouTube hiding videos? So then I checked out my other friends that are also quite well-known YouTubers, checked them out, same thing was happening with them. I couldn't see like their really famous video, not famous, but like their most viewed or their most liked videos, and then I just thought, oh my god, YouTube is actually hiding the videos. Isn't that insane? So that got me kind of upset, because I was just like, we've all worked so hard and they're hiding our videos, which isn't very nice. So I decided to do a bit more research, and on my brand page I only follow myself, obviously, because that's usually how it works, and we only use that page for like work, and it's not just me using it, like it's the other people who are managing the Instagram page. So I then went on to my Instagram page. This was a few days later, by the way. So I kind of left that. I thought, okay then, YouTube, you be shady. I contacted somebody who I talked to on YouTube, and she was like, no, it's probably because nobody wants to watch your videos. And I'm like, babes, I get messages every day of people telling me that I'm not coming up in their subscription boxes. So you tell me that it's... Sorry guys, I'm trying to do this. So I was like, you tell me that it's not YouTube, because people are messaging saying they can't see my videos, like they have to specifically search for me. So then that means it's not me and it's not my fault. And then they were just like, oh, you know, it's you, blah, blah, blah. Like, YouTube hasn't had any changes. And I was like, don't lie. Everybody knows. But then I just couldn't be bothered. Like, it wasn't getting anywhere. So I thought, you know what, forget it. So I'm scrolling on my feed. And obviously, I'm only following myself. So if I'm only following myself, I should see all my posts from my Instagram page. But guess what? I couldn't. They were showing me pictures from 4 days ago, from 2 weeks ago, from a month ago. Like, I'm not kidding. The more and then like when I got to a month ago, which was like the third or the fourth photo, it went back to 3 days ago, and I was like, what is going on? And then it wasn't showing my latest post that I uploaded on that day. So that's when I realized, I was just like, they're actually hiding. They're hiding posts, and they're hiding like videos. They're just hiding everything, and they want you to pay for it. But I refuse to do that, because paying for it just doesn't really get you anywhere, to be honest. We worked as bloggers and influencers and whatever you want to call yourself, business owners, brand owners, creators. We worked so hard to build up our fan base and our customers and everything. So it's just not fair that they're doing this. I think it's so unfair. And I decided to take a break from social media because I thought, like, the thing is with me, social media is everything because it's my full-time job, and also it's my my brand is everything to do with social media. Like, I cannot run my business without social media, so it plays a really, really big part in my life. So this is my IT Cosmetics mascara. This is the Marc Jacobs in shade 300 Sun Nudes. This is the Limark Liquid Lip Crayon. That's interesting because it's not liquid, but I've never tried it. And I'm really excited because it's, look at that, I'm not even pressing. It's so creamy. I think I understand why it's called liquid, because it gives you it looks like you're wearing liquid lipstick because it's so opaque. Wow, I wonder what this compares like to the Fenty one, because this is amazing. I love this color. Oh my god, I really like it. I'm really happy with my makeup look, apart from my dry skin, and I really hope you can't see that in the lens. Hopefully just makes it disappear because it's not great. But I mean, now that the foundation's setting, it is starting to look a lot better. I love this foundation anyway. Like I said, I've tried it before, so I know how it works on my skin, and I absolutely love this. And I still reach for it, even though it's been like, I think it's been like 5 years since I first started using it. Very, very long. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and share. And if you want me to do more videos like this, let me know down below. Let me know your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this video, also let me know. And I shall see you in my next video. Bye.